Good morning, everyone. John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to the first day of Affiliate Summit. Today is the opening day, and I'm gonna head down there and go check out all the action on the floor. I kind of overslept today, woke up at 10:30, and right now it's about almost, well, it's time for lunch basically. So let's find someone and go for lunch. Affiliate Summit is the biggest affiliate marketing trade show in the world, and I believe this year over 6,000 people will be descending on Paris, Las Vegas for this event. So it's gonna be pretty busy here, unlike yesterday.
Is it like the side view?
Definitely busier than yesterday when we walked through this hall.
Have a great afternoon.
If you recall my last video where I showed the registration area, yeah, look how busy it is now. Everyone's getting the badges and stuff. This is why I come the day before, just so I can get my badge without lining up. I have here, all the way from Paris.
Yes.
From Paris, France. I gave them a ticket to Affiliate Summit, and generally I'm always hesitant about giving someone from outside the United States a ticket because it's an expensive flight to get from Paris, isn't it? Yeah, it's not cheap, but you made it all the way to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Oh, it's funny. You came from Paris, France to come to Paris, Las Vegas hotel.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
What is funny, look at the name.
All right, awesome. So welcome, enjoy the show.
Yeah.
All right. A little strange this year. They moved the keynote and the VIP snack area to Bally's, the casino next door. So it's a little walk, but oh well.
I'm John Brown, and words and numbers are clever tools we've invented as a species long time ago.
VIP snack break reception area. It's for people with VIP pass holders, basically a place for them to relax, drink, and get in a snack. Let's see what the snack is. Looks like mini burgers. Mini burgers. Oh, and yep, dips and chips. Basic snacks. Dips and chips. Chicken burgers. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, hamburgers. There you go, this will be a good snack. When you get a Affiliate Summit VIP pass, you get to attend the VIP snack break, and you're also given a dozen drink tickets that are good for a beer, spirits, wine, or a soft drink. It doesn't matter whether you get the soft drink or the beer, it still costs you one drink ticket. So I guess if you want your money's worth, you should actually get the beer or the wine, but you know, I can't say it's too early to drink because it's never too early to drink, but I just don't feel like alcohol right now. I'll get it once I go to the meat market. Yeah. So they finally show up. Oh my gosh, where's your other half? What happened to you? Did you leave half yourself at home? Oh my God, how much weight did you lose, man?
Like 60 since this time last year, but
That's crazy. I mean, I remember.
you know how many people
people. If you want to know how much you used to weigh, go look at an old episode Below Deck.
Yeah.
There you go. You'll see it.
I can put you 100 push-ups right now.
There you go.
I can do like 6.
Apparently, we're 5 minutes from my panel session, so we got to head on over there, because otherwise we're gonna be late. And the thing is, I'm the moderator, and I couldn't find the questions, so the last few minutes we've been a mad rush trying to find the questions so I can ask the panel. Otherwise, it would have been a very funny session. Syed found the question, he's forwarding to my email, so we're okay now. Great, we don't know what room we're speaking at. And I think we're about to start in 1 minute. Everyone's waiting for us. That's the registration area. Yeah. Oh, there it is. It's through the registration area. We found it. There we go. Let's see how we're doing for crowd, eh?
She's fine. She's fine.
Well, I'm the speaker.
You're the speaker.
Yeah, we're the
You are
speaker.
speakers. Okay.
I do need one of those because I'm the speaker.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we'll be up there. Thank you. All right. I'm sitting in the center. I can't believe this. Now I'm not going to sit in the center. No way. All right. I'm going to sit right here.